The 2013 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, front wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power door locks, compass, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.